Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. Hey there, I just went to Walmart and this is my mostly carnivore haul. I had to get some things for the week, for when I'm done with it. I'm just doing a week of it. And of course I gotta get the dogs dog food and dog treats. So we'll do the carnivore half. Always got to have Charmin because carnivore or non-carnivore, you're going to poop. So I picked up a couple of these Chobani Greek yogurt, the plain, these are the plain ones. And then I picked up a 5 pound of 80-20, a 5 pound of 73%, picked up some pepper, a couple Southwest seasonings. One is a medium fajita seasoning. One is a mild Southwest taco seasoning. I looked for the yellow stickers today. Melanesa. It's beef top round, thick cut for Melanesa, whatever that means. So it's just going to be a bunch of thin ones. So I got that. I picked up a pork butt. Now not all of this is for my carnivore week. Some of this, like I said, I buy ahead of time. So this is not all for this weekend because I won't be cooking the butt. I picked up a couple of butt country style ribs because they have yellow stickers on them. Now this is for this week. The top sirloin steak, I'm going to have some of these this week. And then I picked up another one of these Angus ribeye. I am not trying to do carnivore on a budget this time. I just wanted to do a week of carnivore. So I did pick up some nice ribeyes. But in picking those up, I cut corners somewhere else. Then some bacon pieces, 2 things of bacon. So this is the carnivore week food. Now over here, we've just got other odds and ends. So we have... based on what's going on with me right now, I picked up some more nighttime and daytime cold and flu, some aspirin or Tylenol, some refresh tears for the dog, some nighttime liquid, some fat-free mozzarella, some laundry smell good stuff, some toenail clippers. I picked these up for the week after. Again, this is not for next week. It says avocado. You can buy avocado already made up. It's in these little packages. I've had them before, and one of y'all mentioned them in the comments, and I'm like, oh yeah. Then you don't cut one and have to worry about it. It's looking for the expiration date, July 1st, so that'll be good. I can have this the week after. Bought a bunch of gum. I had to pick up some more coffee flavoring. Some red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar. That's all for my pickles that I make. Some pure avocado oil. And then 5 drinks. So that's just the haul this week. It was $417. And of course it's because it was meat heavy. So again, I'm not trying to do, this was not like me trying to do some kind of a budget thing. I shop twice a month. So everything that I get has to last me for, 15 days. So we'll see how things go on the other end of it. After I get done with this week, I may end up doing 2 weeks. So we will see, but we're just going to get some meal prep going later. All right, bye. And I forgot, we got a 60-pack of eggs. $6, y'all. Get to Walmart. $6 for 60 eggs. Even if you don't use them all, $6. It's like 10 cents an egg. Ka-chow.